Okay, put on the jack. You take it from here down to this spot. Sorry, spot. And this is the wire now. In here. There you go. So after you do that, you start tracking the car. Okay. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? The reason, if you can see, this is the brake discs, and we still have a lot of brake pad on it. Then we are still having creeping noise coming out whenever the customer step on the brake. If you can see carefully, this brake disc is not well. It's not well smooth in terms of flexing. It's not well smooth. It's having corrosion on it. You can see. Look at how deep it is. How deep it is. But we still have a good brake pad. So we are going to remove these discs and resurface it, and that's all. We are going to do same issue applicable to the other side, which is the passenger side. So for now, we'll face on the driver side in removing the brake discs and refiring these discs to be more smoother than this. We are not going to replace it. We are going to save money by surfacing the discs to align in each other to a smoother distance, so that the brake pad will be catching at a good smooth and not causing noise or creeping noise or causing corrosion whenever the brake pad is being stepped on the car. So keep tuned. Just a little bolt to remove these two 15mm bolts, and this, you can see, is up, this one and that one, and there is this star socket and this. Then when you're able to use those, then this star align key will be removed too, and you're all good, and this can come out. Okay, you get a 15mm bolt. 15mm bolt. Use it. And yeah, I've already used it before. Just use it. Yeah. Then get that one. It's the same thing that I've used before. Now, I take it from inside. I'm using my left hand taking the video. I need to just move, shake it up and down. Just a moment. Okay, well, what I did was I was able to use this spanner to press down the caliper to give it a little allowance on it. So it's more easier for me to move. So that's what I'm doing. See? I'm putting down the caliper. See, it has come out. This was the caliper I was talking about. It's two piston. That's the caliper. So the job is the next is this bolt. This one, the star socket bolt, and this one. So you are going to use 18 E18. That's it. E18. Right. Stick on this one. Then from there I'll take it from there. Okay, a little bit of a hammer on it. That's it. Okay. It was a little bit difficult for me to lose, but I was able to lose it. So it's coming out. There's boots. Okay. Before we remove the second bolt, I was able to take out this bolt from here. Before we remove the second bolt, there's something we need to do first. This is a screwdriver. Stick it on here, on this place. So you can able to, this is a, this is styling. Styling key. It's over here. Move it. Let's go. First take out this thing first. Take out the screwdriver. Then go ahead and move this. Come out. And this, so when all you do now, just use hammer, tap here and here, and to come out. Yeah. So what's in the hammer? You saw that. So that. Inspect it. how rough it is, how bad and rough it is, and it's very thick. See? And this again, what's again about? So this how to remove a 2013 GLK Dix. You can see now, you can see that the Dix now is well surface than very well. No more no more hideouts. Everywhere is smooth perfectly. You can see. But so we're going to install it back. So when installing it now, you look at these bolts. This is the locking, the Dix lock. Look at this Dix lock now. This is there. So I'm using my left hand. Okay. See? Very set. That's set. And so use the bolt. Use the star bolt. And tie it. Shift it a little bit. So this is tightening it back. See if it doesn't out. So I'll do caliper hanger. This is a caliper hanger. Like this. Okay. Second one. So I'm going to torque the two bolts, torque them down, with 16 star 16A spanner. Come in the brake pad. This for the back, and it wears sandpapered. It's wet fire too, so that it will correspond with the the new discs, the new firing discs. So press it down to this key. There's one. There's one. This is the second one. Here. This is my caliper. Wait, caliper. Side. Careful of the. You can see this stuff. See, that's pulled out. So be careful when fixing this thing so it won't go out. It helps the brake pad a lot. So let's hold on. You can see this stuff. See, that's pulled out. So be careful when fixing this thing so it won't go out. It helps the brake pad a lot. So let's hold on. So I was able to tighten this one first. Then the third bolt, second bolt on the down side. So I'm going to tuck them down. Then we are done. I'm going to tuck them down. We are done. Okay, guys. It has been tucked down. It has been tucked down. So therefore, we are installing the tires now. I'm doing this with my bare hand and with the camera with me. So you have to understand me. Okay. So there you go. I think I've got it down. Got it this way. Okay. Then start. So tight it. Use your hand to tight it first, but before using the wheel spanner and using to lock it down. Sure, it's not stuck in one place. See, not coming out, not coming out. It's very tight now. That's for me to use the wheel spanner. Okay, I need down. That's all. Okay, guys, this is how to replace your brake disc on a 2013-2014 GLK. This is applicable to 2010 GLK. Because he saw the previous disc that was there, we were able to fire the discs to be smooth so that the brake pad will be engaging with the discs smoothly, not roughly, because it's causing noise whenever you step on the brake pedal. It causes a lot of creepy noise, sound noise, and jerking on the steering whenever you stepped on the brake. So this is a quick one of you doing it without replacing the disc itself, because it costs a lot of money in replacing the disc. So doing this will save you a lot of dollars of money for a while, because you saw I didn't change the brake pad. I have to use the same brake pad. It's still going to work. So thanks for watching. This is CTS Auto Service Repair. Do to subscribe and share my video. God bless you. Thumbs up.